Hey hustlers, Miles here. Hope you're having a great day. In today's video, we're going to discuss 3 ways that smart Etsy sellers go broke. Let's get into it. So welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new here on this channel, we're all about building successful brands online for more money, more freedom and a better future. So let's dive into the topic. So these 3 mistakes, that I'm going to share with this video today are unfortunately really common. I've made all of these mistakes myself. A lot of people typing on the comments I see on my YouTube videos make these mistakes, and also a lot of students that have joined my course were making these mistakes before they joined. So if you're doing one or more of these 3 things now, you're likely doing something wrong. So mistake number 1. Uploading hundreds and hundreds of products, okay? Every smart Etsy seller knows that, one of the best ways to make more money on Etsy is by simply adding more products, okay? If you add more products and they sell, you're gonna make more money. However, there's loads of stores on Etsy that have thousands, they have massive inventories, but they hardly make any sales. Why? Well, it comes down to quality listings over quantity. When we're building a business, especially on Etsy, we never want to do things on a hope and a prayer. One of the worst approaches I say is just shotgunning it, okay? just trying to throw as much mud against the wall and hoping that something's gonna stick. If you're going for that approach, the deck is not gonna be stacked in your favor. And that's what we wanna do as successful marketers and, more importantly, successful Etsy store owners. What you need to figure out, crucially, in your niche that you're deciding to target, what products sell, okay? And more importantly, why are they selling? Without this information, you can have the biggest inventory on Etsy and hardly make any sales. Okay, so mistake number 2. Selling what you love. When I first started my Etsy store, I made this mistake, okay? I thought that if I loved the design or a product, or if I put so much effort and time into, doing these intricate, designs, that everyone would love it as well. I literally thought I was going to make instant sales simply because I thought there must be people like me that like these kind of products. But much to my amazement, this simply wasn't true. The number 1 metric we have as Etsy store owners as to whether customers love our products or not is sales. That's the real true metric. It's not our opinion, it's not our passions, it's whether or not customers are buying your products. So remove your biases and focus on what customers want, not what you think they want. Okay, so mistake number 3. Focusing on absolutely everything, okay? Again, I've made this mistake a lot through my, business and entrepreneurial career. As entrepreneurs, as Etsy store owners, we wear many different hats. We're the managers, we're the designers, we're the marketers, we're the customer service rep. The list goes on. And of course, we usually have to manage these things ourselves. And that's not in addition to all the new business hacks and business tips you see flooding the internet sort of every month on what things we should be doing. One person says to build your email list. Another person says to use Google Ads. And then there's all the different videos about all the crazy new changes to the SEO that happens every month, and all the changes we should be making to our stores in regards to this. It can be overwhelming and you can lose focus fast. This is probably the biggest reason why smart Etsy sellers go broke. And why I always say, as smart Etsy sellers, as smart marketers, you need to know what to focus on. You need to know what's going to give you the biggest bang for your buck. Remember, 80% of your results are going to come from 20% of your efforts or actions. We need to have a plan and we need to know the most important things we should be focusing on to ensure we reach our goals with our Etsy stores. So as I preach all the time, if you want to be successful in 2019, regardless of what happens, whether there's an SEO change or there's a crazy new business hack you think you should be doing, you know, if you want to be successful, you should be focused on 3 things: your brand, creating a great products, and mastering on finding good keywords. Okay, so those are what you need to focus on if you want to be successful in 2019. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I thought I'd quickly put this together for you. If you're interested in mastering those 3 things as I spoke about, your great branding, great keywords, and you know, great products, check out my free Etsy masterclass. Links in the description below. It's about an hour long, and as I said, it's completely free to attend and view. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section how you're getting on with your Etsy stores. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.